Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 4 screws that fix the bottom cover plate. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 2 screws that secure the spare battery. Disconnect the terminal. Install the spare battery with the wiring harness close to the rear wheel. First, tighten one screw. Insert the other screw, and then tighten both screws. Align the raised part of the terminal with the notch and make the connection. Tuck the wiring harness back into the e-bike body. Install the bottom plate with the label facing outwards. Tighten the 4 screws that secure the bottom plate. Install the battery.